Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the source and selecting the correct distribution hardware. Plug the source directly into a powered HDMI splitter or matrix. This prevents signal negotiation errors. Once done, connect short HDMI pigtails first to confirm video. Make sure to power the splitter before the TVs to allow proper edit exchange. You do this because the splitter must read the TV's capabilities, so the source sends a compatible signal. This avoids blank screens or forced lower quality. Next, run your chosen cabling from the splitter to each TV and connect extenders if distances exceed HDMI limits. Once connected, configure the splitter's edit to match the highest common resolution all TVs support. Doing so ensures consistent output. You should also lock refresh rate and color space on the source if available to prevent renegotiation. Afterward, walk each run and verify image and audio at every TV. This catches loose connectors or faulty extenders before final mounting. To finish, secure cables, label ports, and follow a consistent power-up order. Splitter, source, then TVs. You'll verify sync and audio across all screens and adjust any TV-specific picture settings to match. If a screen stays black or loses audio, suspect HDCP or edit mismatch. Swap to known good cables and try the splitter's edit presets. If timing differs between displays, use a reclocking distribution amp or active repeaters to restore proper synchronization and eliminate jitter or dropout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.